So today I'm here with Ali Pearl here again. Alright, it's the same packaging as before, you know, just a bag. No box today. I see the wig. Once I open the bag, I also got a edge brush and comb, a wig cap, a pair of wig caps rather. I got a pair of lashes, a headband branded Ali Pearl or headscarf rather, and I got a, you know, elastic band, really great to help melt down your edges, and I got another elastic band branded Ali Pearl, and that's everything in the package. So for today's wig, we're working with a gorgeous 5x5 lace closure wig. It's 20 inches long. It's a body wave, as you can see, and as I said, the spacing for the closure is 5x5. It's 180% in density, and it's a medium cap size. Okay, it's of a natural 1B color, and it's really gorgeous. I love how full the hair is. It's very soft, very silky. The waves are very much nice and intact so far. Looks good. I mean, it's straight out of the package. That's how it should look. You know, they didn't put a lot of extra lace on the front here. Usually, you know, you have like a lot of extra lace, but I mean, I don't mind. So it is lightly pre-plucked. You could go in and pluck it more if you want a deeper graduation. This is how the inside looks, like a medium brown tone. It's like a light brown tone rather, so you could go in and customize that further if you wish. There's a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap, and there's adjustable straps in. There's an adjustable strap inside as well, to, you know, just to ensure more security, and adjustable straps in the back. So that's how this wig is looking. I'm gonna jump into installing this. You guys know this is always a quicker installation because we're just working with a closure and not a full-on lace front. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna fix this later on, because what you're seeing in here is I did pull back my wig cap somewhere, so that's the color difference you're seeing, but we're gonna fix that in a minute. So I'm just gonna do like 1 layer of glue today for this install, and then pair it with some of my olive oil fix-it spray. I'm not gonna do like a lot of layers. You just want to line it up to where you want it to be. Don't have a lot of lace working with. And I'm gonna take my clip to pull it back out of my face, pull the hair out of my face, so that, you know, I can be as, you know, on point as possible with just applying. I'm gonna cleanse the area before I, you know, apply any glue or anything. 1 layer. Guys, I make sure to never ever put glue on my hair at all. I always put it in front of my edges, so where the glue is, it's right in front, because I have hair coming right down here. Like, you might not, my hairline is kind of like jagged in some parts, so like for the most part here it doesn't have any hair. It's really like in the front, and then here I have hair growing down on the sides here. So I just, you know, do kind of like straight across. I don't play about my edges at all. So I'm very, you know, cautious with how I place the glue and remove it. Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly. curls with my curling iron just to get everything super nice and like, you know, looking like super fresh. You could definitely go ahead and rock the waves as is, but if you are going for more like a wavy, messy vibe, which is totally fine. Oh, the hair is so full and nice. Oh, you see that bounce? Really full and nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my elastic band to kind of just melt down that lace before I cut away the excess, and I'm gonna blow dry it. Just gonna, you know, cut away the excess lace, just not a lot. So you could totally skip not doing any, you know, thing to the edges or anything. I'm just gonna take out just a little piece here as usual. I feel like I always do this and I never get tired of doing it. Just a little piece to swoop on the side here. So I'm gonna do a detailed hot combing through the top portion here to get it as flat as possible. I use some of my wax stick for the front before I get my elastic band once more to kind of just further tie down the area and melt it down. So you see how the waves are? Really nice and intact. And super full. Love that. Look at it. Super full at the end. See how pretty that is? That is gorgeous. So we're gonna lay this down now. Make it super flat. To the point you think it's a frontal, not a closure. Guys, you see how flat that is laying? The lace, everything looks good. It's laying so natural like who would know that this is a closure unless you tell them? Like this laid to perfection. Taught the truth. You don't think so? The parting is giving 13 by 6, okay? That's what it's giving. It looks so good. Perfection. Perfection. Look at that. You guys know I'm good to be like this. To be like putting it behind my ears like this. Right? We're gonna go go in and I'm gonna go ahead and just get started on curling it now. I'm just curling the hair to be extra at this point because tell me that's not perfection. Every day I want to before I curl it. But when it's gonna look so pretty when I finish. Let's just focus. I want to just do a little bit of layering right here, just a little in the front. Alright, loving that. I know that's gonna curl up so nicely. You know, just to frame my face a little bit. I love that wig here. I love this. I'm actually gonna go out real quick with it because why, it's too cute.
Don't be afraid of falling, falling, cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling, cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling, cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor.
Guys, let me go ahead and give my head a shake. Cause I'm loving the flat top and then the voluminous. You see what the vision is, right? This is what it was. That's why I wanted to recurl it. And then the layers totally gave. This is it. Look at that bones. Yes. Nice bust down middle part. It's given. Love it. Love, love. Let me know what you guys think about this wig look today. I think it's super clean, you know, perfect for date night, perfect for any special occasion. It's all about the vibe that you're going for, that special outfit that you're wearing. It all depends. So shout out to Ali Pearl for another gorgeous wig. And don't forget to go ahead and check my description box for, you know, the direct link to this wig if you're interested in getting it for yourself, as well as all the specifications. So go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.